Hiya guys, got my fitting done yesterday at Hair for All and the quality is absolutely fantastic. I'm a bricklayer and I'm always out in the windy, wet conditions, dust everywhere, and just the systems are perfect. Look at that for a hair system. I got my fitting done yesterday with Zoe and she's done an absolutely fantastic job. As always, Hair for All are brilliant. I mean, the hairline is absolutely fantastic. I mean, there are no hair systems like it. I've had friends who have gone to Lord Hair and I mean, you just can't compare to these systems. They're absolutely fantastic. I'm just absolutely over the moon with it. I've used Hair for All now. It's windy, no problems at all when it's windy, nothing. I've been using Hair for All now for 4 years and the systems are always absolutely perfect, no problems whatsoever. Phil and the team are perfect. Just all round brilliant aftercare, brilliant team. Yeah, Hair for All's fantastic.